Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys in class today. Here we learn and have fun, and I know you do love fun, and if you do, I want to hear you scream. Today we'll be looking at the 6 times table. As a reminder, if you have not watched my videos on the 2 times table, 3 times table, 4 times table, and 5 times table, do well to go back, watch those videos, like, and subscribe. Now, what is the best method? What is the best way of becoming fast in 6 times multiplication? Now, the best way of actually becoming fast with the 6 times table is for you to simply memorize it. At the beginning, it may be difficult, but if you do it over a week and you are consistent in it, definitely you will find it very interesting and easy. Now, in order for you to memorize the 6 times table, the first thing you do is to get a sheet of paper, and I want you to do that now. Get a sheet of paper and write the 6 times table on it. Now, this is what you do, okay? Let's write out the 6 times table. You have 6 times 1. This gives you 6. 6 times 2. You have 12. 6 times 3. You have 18. 6 times 4. You have 24. 6 times 5. You have 30. Now, do you see how fast I am in writing the answers? At the end of this video, you will equally be this fast, even faster than me. Let's go on. 6 times 6. You have 36. 6 times 7. You have 42. 6 times 8. You have 48. 6 times 9. You have 54. 6 times 10. You have 60. 6 times 11. You have 66. Then finally, 6 times 12. You have 72. All right, now after you have written the 6 times table on that piece of paper, the next thing you do is you memorize the first 4 numbers. That is, you memorize 6 times 1 to 6 times 4. After memorizing it, close your eyes and recite it to yourself. Were you able to recite it without making any mistake? If you were able, then move on to the next 4 numbers, meaning memorize 6 times 5 all the way to 6 times 8. Close your eyes, recite it to yourself. Were you able to recite it to yourself without making any mistake? If you are, if you were able, okay, then you move on to the next set. So you memorize 6 times 9 to 6 times 12. Then close your eyes and recite it to yourself. Now, if you were able to recite it, the last step is you memorize everything from the beginning to the end, okay? Okay, then after memorizing it, you recite everything to yourself. That is, you recite 6 times 1 to 6 times 12. Now, how do you recite it? How do you recite it to yourself? You recite it like this, with your eyes closed. You say 6 times 1, 6, 6 times 2, 12, 6 times 3, 18, 6 times 4, 24. Please, your eyes must be closed when you are reciting it. Don't look at that paper. Then you continue. 6 times 5, 30, 6 times 6, 36, 6 times 7, 42, 6 times 8, 48, 6 times 9, 54, 6 times 10, 60, 6 times 11, 66, 6 times 12, 72. Now, if you were able to recite everything without a single error, it means you have mastered it. All right, children, it's fun time. Here we'll be having a mini competition. In this competition, I'll give you some questions, and if you were the first to get them right, you'll be applauded by over 1 million students. Are you not excited? All right, let's start. What if I ask you 6 times 9? What will be the answer? I hear a boy say 54. Absolutely correct. Clap for him, everybody. is actually the first champion we have today. Okay, what if you have 6 times 7? What is 6 times 7? Wow, this person was pretty fast. She said it immediately I was done writing it on the screen. She said 42. That is correct. Clap for her, everybody. I am so excited here because you guys are pretty fast. Now, what was 6 times 4? I hear someone say 24. That is absolutely correct. Clap for him, everybody. Now, what if I ask you about 6 times 12? What will you say? Now, someone said 72. Wow, this is so good. You guys have become really good over time. Clap for her, everybody. She was the fastest and she's right. Okay, what if I ask you about 5 times 9? I hear someone say 45. That is very correct. Clap for him, everybody. Okay, let me test you on the 4 times table. What of 4 times 6? I hear somebody say 24. That is correct. Clap for her, everybody. Okay, what of 4 times 4? What do you think will be the answer? Oh my God, we have a new champion now. And she said 16. Okay? Now, she didn't just get the answer. She was so fast. You know, that is what I love most. When you are this fast, it clearly shows how well you have come to know this. It shows that you are now a master in it. Okay? Okay, now what of 3 times 9? What is 3 times 9? I hear someone say 27. Clap for him, everybody. Then finally, what if I ask you about 2 times 5? What is 2 times 5? I hear someone say 10. 10 is very correct. Now, you will notice something that over time, you have become good and you have become better. Okay? Why? Because you took your time to memorize the multiplication table well. And because you have memorized it over time, over a period of a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, now you are so good in it. See, that is one thing about life. What you give your time to, you become so good in it over time. So that is why I will encourage every one of you, okay, to always memorize the 2 times table, the 3 times table, the 4 times table, 5 times table, and the 6 times table. Please don't leave it, okay, without memorizing it daily. It is in so doing that you will become what? Good. All right, here we have come to the end of this lesson, and I had a lot of fun. I don't know about you, but I'm sure you do have a lot of fun also. Now, if you love my video, please do well to like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Good things are worth sharing. Have a great day, everyone.